Alright, so hello YouTube, welcome back in. We're back to another unboxing video. We have this unboxing video. It I think it's from the car. I did order some bracelets from there. And I have a dream bracelet coming. Bracelet I was supposed to get last year, but the seller lost the bracelet. Oh, it's over here. Okay. So we have these bracelets, and they're small. Great. So we have this pack called Lily and Me. So it's this, and I may just be an optical illusion of some sort, but and it does come with earrings, which I'm not going to take out because I don't really use them for anything, but this is what they look like. At first I yeah, they're kid size, so great. I was going to take these to the park with me this Friday and review them, and that is another thing I am going to be doing. From now on, we are going to be going to the park, every Friday for, weight loss. So, yeah. It's alright. At least I got some skinny bracelets, so yeah. But I'm going to try and test to see how big they actually. I wonder where all my, those Disney bracelets are. You know, I do have some of those, so I wonder if they're the same exact size. And these, I know they're smaller than my regular ones. Yeah, but I wonder how small these things are compared to those Disney ones that I got like 2 years ago. If I can find one. I dumped out a whole bin, but, well, oh dear. It looks like they leak colors on me, but, you know, they smell nice, so that's a plus, I guess. Okay, I can barely fit them on. Okay, let me look at that. Okay, well. Alright, well, let me set these up here. I'm gonna clean up my mess real quick. I probably have them in one of these other bins, but let's see. I can look see how small. I think if I'm lucky, maybe they are a tad bit bigger, but we'll see. Oh, yeah, they do look a little bit bigger. That's the Disney one, yeah. No, not by much. They're a little bit bigger. So yeah. Okay. Almost all over. So yeah, but I will review those on Friday, along with another bracelet. So yeah. So yeah, these little skinny bracelets. So yeah, so I will upload this video for you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.